Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices were little changed as heightened geopolitical tensions offset pressure from the Federal Reserve's hawkish stance, while platinum slipped after scaling its highest level since September 2014. Global stocks fell and the dollar rose, reflecting investors' preference for perceived safe havens as concerns mounted over possible US involvement in the Israel-Iran air war, which has ignited a rally in the oil price this week. Coinbase and Circle shares surged after US lawmakers signalled support for clearer stablecoin regulation by pushing through the Genius Act for House approval. The rally followed Tuesday's 68-30 Senate vote in favour of the Genius Act.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.